A skill and capacity building workshop on Panchagavya products was jointly organized by the Department of Science and Technology and the Divyaday Krishi Vigyan Kendra. The event held this afternoon was inaugurated by Minister Animesh Debbarma.
The training will focus on producing various products from Panchagavya, a mixture of cow dung, cow urine, milk, ghee and curd. Participants will learn to make items like shampoo, soap, mosquito coils and fennel. Key officials present at the inauguration included Khorang District Magistrate Rajat Pan, Divyaday Krishi Vigyan Kendra Senior Scientist Manoj Singh Sachan and Director of the Department of Information Technology Susanta Bani.
सर मिट्टी से बनता है तो गोबर से क्यों नहीं बनेगा? तो मूल उद्देश्यों का मूर्ति हाउ मिली थांगा है नौपर दीवार को दूषित खाइयाना नहीं किंतु आगे से मंत्री आनी नहार मुंखे चीनी बरीरो empowering the women बरीरो रोजगार क्लाई चाय मानतो औकामी एक मानतो The musuk biki by desanam, na shampoo desanam, na murti desanam is not important. Empowering the women and women should earn money. Lot of our training go bar anwar phaigur jana nuknai nukna musuk siti by hand wash नाम गानी क्या आपको यूरिन से क्या बनाया आपने फिनल जैसा बना है अब वैसे नॉक होना मुसुक स्थिति भाई नॉक खुलाई नहीं आमोलो किंतु और जो दी काम के बुजुर्ग सायका है भाई की मुसुक स्थिति भी बस नॉक होना ही नहीं जर अंदर लोग जरा सरने रो साना मुसुको मुसुक स्थिति आप लोग को खुए तो कैसा जब फिनाइल बाइक जगह pneumonia ganang, asthma ganang, lama hormaya amti bororo, lama nahanan bagi kos tonggang ero, Chini mo finai by norong no kubi, norungi, o asthma abu thik tonga ini sadirultai.
The 3-day workshop, which began on August 12 and will conclude on August 14, has drawn 65 participants, 4 men and women, from 6 different blocks within the Khorang district. Reported by Bibla from Khorang, Chini Khorang.